Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO F5 Pro, and let me share with you how to reset camera settings on this device. So first of all, we have to open the camera app, and it does not really matter on which mode you will be, because this option is in the general settings. So we have to tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and enter the settings. Before we will do it, I hope that you can see those grid lines. I've applied them before I've started the recording, and it is because I'd like to show you the visual evidence that the reset option will work. So they should disappear, at least I hope. So let's enter the settings here. Then scroll down to the very bottom and tap on Restore Default Settings and confirm it. Nothing happened, the settings flashed a little bit kind of. So let's go back and check. And as you can see, we've got the this permission, so this is also the evidence that we successfully reset the settings, the customizations again. And we've got also the camera without the grid lines, which simply means that we just successfully reset camera settings. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.